Need a moment of calm in your busy day? Let's find peace together. Hi, I'm Jay. Welcome to Softly Designed. This is Calm Reflections, Episode 2, where we're exploring 5 journaling ideas for peace. We'll reflect on gratitude, body awareness, kindness, joy, and a gentle release. Let's breathe and begin. Journaling is like a quiet conversation with yourself. It helps you slow down, reflect, and release your thoughts, bringing a sense of peace to your mind. Let's start with gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for today. Maybe it's a warm cup of tea, a kind word from a friend, or a sunny morning. Reflect on why these moments matter to you, like how that tea warmed your hands and heart. What's one thing you're thankful for right now? Let those feelings fill you with calm. Next, let's try body awareness. Listen to what your body's telling you. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and notice how you feel. Are your shoulders tense from a long day? Is your heart racing with a busy mind? Write down those feelings. For me, I often notice my jaw clenching. Writing it down helps me let go. Let this moment ground you in calm. Now, reflect on a kind moment you experienced recently. Maybe you helped a neighbor with their groceries, or someone held the door for you with a smile. Write about it, how it made you feel. Did it warm your heart or lift your spirits? I remember a stranger's kind wave on a tough day. It reminded me of the good in the world. What kindness touched you lately? Let's focus on joy. What brought you joy today? It could be as simple as a bird singing outside your window or a warm meal that comforted you. Write down that moment, like the way the bird's song made you pause and smile. For me, it was the smell of fresh rain this morning. What sparked your joy today? Let that feeling linger as you write. Finally, let's try a gentle release. Write down something you'd like to let go of today. It might be a worry like an upcoming deadline or a busy thought that's been circling your mind. Imagine it's a leaf floating away on a stream as you write. I often release my perfectionism. It feels lighter already. What can you let go of? Let the page hold it for you. That's it for Calm Reflections, Episode 2, 5 journaling ideas to bring peace to your day. Which idea felt most calming for you? Share in the comments, I'd love to know. Next time in Episode 3, we'll explore a cozy evening ritual to unwind. Thanks for reflecting with me. Let's keep finding peace together. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more simple joys every week. See you next time.